In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Gmail account without phone number. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys. Now let's get started. Now first thing, you need to open your Gmail app. Then click your profile icon on the top right corner. Then scroll down. Then add another account. Then Google. Then enter your phone password. Then create account. Then for my personal use. Now here you can enter your first name and your surname. Then click on next. Then enter your birthday and gender. Then click on next. Then enter your Gmail account. Then type in your Gmail account the way you want your Gmail account to appear. So I'm going to do that. Then click on next. Then you can set your password. Now create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. So I'm going to do that. Then next. Then next. Then scroll down. Then I agree. So the account has been created. Now if you click your profile icon again, and then you are going to see your account in this list. So this is the account that I've just created. This is the new account. So that's how you can easily create your Gmail account without phone number. Now if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys, and see you in the next one.